met a year ago and you talk about the project, it was clearly visible based on the example you brought that could have been a value add, an extremely valuable path. The difficulties was to visualize how we, Pieralisi, as a complex company, in a complex with complex product in a complex market, could translate that into a value add. The thought process I have is now to make a selection among what we have been receiving and then ask if there will be some of those young students willing to join us in the center of Italy, work with us in a process to practically put in place some of those wonderful ideas and contaminate the company with their energy and passion and lateral thinking that is definitely a value add into 150 years company history. Therefore, blending the history, the present, and the future with those fresh blood injection. Talking about the POLI.design methodology and the POLI.design product offering which has been given to us, I could not use any other expression than is represent the excellence and the, let me say, the right translation between the mid-sized industry need and the university world, the student world, where all the companies are typically very, very centered on thinking we know what to do and we little, let me say, put in doubt that there are alternative ways to do it or different ways related to maybe unexperienced people that makes translation of what is need to be done in a much easier way and a much more practical way.
My name is Mahati. I'm a student of the 24th edition Masters in Strategic Design. We recently had a workshop with Pieralisi and it was a complete 3 weeks experience for us.
It was really a challenging experience that I want to take with me in the future.
What I liked the most about the workshop with Pieralisi company, so this great experience, was the commitment of all the employees and the members of the company into the challenge that they gave us and the real interest that they put into all our ideas and all the process for foreseeing the future of the company.
The first 2 days we went to Yesi, we saw the company, the factory and also the town where the company was born. And the next day we got a brief and then we had about 2 weeks to design our strategy. I think the best part of this experience was that every alternate day we had employees from different departments who came to us and they were ready to answer absolutely any question. We sat with them through the day asking them doubts and they tried to understand how we were figuring out the strategy. And at the end of the 2 weeks, we had a presentation with them. It was very scary because we had every important person from that company sitting in front of us and we were presenting to them. And they actually listened to our ideas. We are so much younger to them. We have like 0.05 experience, less than that, in that industry, but they listen to our ideas and they actually, I really think they will implement at least a bit of our ideas and our strategies. So it felt very wholesome to be a part of it.
The next natural step that I see after this first path, which I consider a first path, is that we have to, let me say, because of respect to ourselves, respect to the people and to the company, we have to really now go to the execution of some of those ideas.